A welcome speech presented by the branch coordinator of Nanga 95 Wala branch. The person of Patience Muti should be a presenter on the occasion of the fundraising in view of assisting privileged students in the prestigious college on this 28th day of October 2023. The senior alumni of various branches here represented, junior alumni of various branches represented, honorable members of parliament represented, medical personnel of various strata, dignitaries of the academia, the clergy, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. You are all welcome to this main occasion of Nexa 95. It is the first on-seat meeting we are having since creation in 2015, and we are so excited to have you all here with us. We have gathered here tonight to raise funds in view of assisting unprivileged students of our prestigious institution, Government Bilingual High School, Kambe. But before we go on, we would like to present to you some historical peculiarities of this institution. The institution, which began by the structure of appellation Government High School, Kambe, and later changed in structure and hence appellation to Government Bilingual High School, Kambe, was made on the 15th of September 1975 in the Kambe Community Hall building and later relocated to the permanent site at the Nanga Hills. It would interest you to know that this institution was first public secondary school the first public secondary school in the division. Hence, the reason why its catchment area was so broad, as it pulled learners from all over the division and beyond, with very few intervening opportunities along the way. The peculiarity has gifted the Alumni Association with a gift of heterogeneity, which is a very good catalyst in the process of learning and development both during and after the years of schooling. In addition, this institution bred a special virtue in us, and as good boys and girls, now grown into responsible men and women, we have catch it and we are running with it. This is the virtue of collectivism. The virtue has served as a substance of which this vision of fundraising to assist the unprivileged, internally displaced, and offer students of our alma mater is Lord. As we celebrate this day, we remember with gratitude all the staff of various categories who chipped in their quotas of nation building by raising us, our posterity. Remember all the sundry who served under the following major categories: the support staff, the teaching staff, and the administrative staff. Under the support staff, remember Mr. Bawe Joseph, the administrative assistant, Aka Shojo, Mr. Baba Samuel, the farm master, Mr. Julius, the laboratory assistant, Pache, the chief cook, Pan Nasali and Pan Tafu Samari, the school bursars, and many others. Under the teaching staff, remember with gratitude Mr. Antufo Matthew, Madame Bihenrenda, Mr. Bomba Ebel, Mr. Eric, Pamela Alfred, Mr. Werenge Jacques, Mr. Shitu Martin, Mr. Josh Ike, Mr. Fonta Josh, Pam Massa, Pa Jerunge, all of blessed memory. Mrs. Ngwa Sipre, Mr. John J.K. Gongor, Mr. John J.K., Mr. Afanu Gege, Tafo Matthew, Funte Johnson, Quatran Mark, Ken Martin, Jado Samuel, Bingo Setis, Sunjo Pachi, Sunjo Waters, Ali William, and our mothers, Ken Generatine, Gala Edi, Tayo Mata, and Takam Julie. Under the administrative staff, remember with gratitude Ngege Simon, Mr. Ngege Raphael, the senior masters of discipline, and both of blessed memory. Mrs. Nganjo Julius, the master of discipline, who is here present with us. Please let's give him a round of applause. Dr. Ngala Josh, Mr. William, Wonderful Martin, and many others. And finally, we recognize in posterity and in real time with great honor the top administrators in our alma mater who have gone before and those who are still here with us in the order in which they served. Mr. Tanto Asamba Peter, Mr. Bakari Elijah Tawe, Dr. Paul Vega, Mr. Sayani Joseph, Mr. Sujo Josh, Mr. Njika Zakaria Khan, Mr. Mofo Emmanuel, Mr. Njila Isaiah Tata, Mrs. Madame Belucia, Mr. Nz Martin, Mr. Ken Martin, and Mr. Jam Angelbe. We are gathered here tonight to raise funds in view of assisting the unprivileged student in our alma mater. Permit me to situate you in the context of the necessity for this. The populace of the suburb neighboring of Nkambe Central mostly engaged in agriculture. This implies that their standards of living, purchasing power for social amenities including education for their children is not commemorable. This points to the fact that a lot of the students from these suburbs need a push to be sustained in school and have their basic necessities provided. In addition, the fact that the area where our institution is located, like other localities in Cameroon, are a partial, meaning that a lot of orphan children have successors who do not care about their welfare but are interested in usurping their late father's property. Thirdly, the most striking is that the fact that our alma mater happens to be one of the schools accommodating the internally displaced children from the war zone areas. This means that we need to give them a helping hand. And to these categories of students, this will go a long way to brighten their future and and help them to realize their dreams. Therefore, we enjoin you to give cheerfully whatsoever you came with. No matter the amount, it's not small. Feel at home. Enjoy your time here with us. May the good Lord who brought you graciously watch over you and take you safely back to your homes. Thank you for your kind audience. Long live Nanga 95. Long live Nexa General. Long live GBHS Nkambe. Long live Minisec.
Thank you, Madam President. Ladies and gentlemen, feel at home.